Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, I haven't been here in so long. I feel like I forgot how to do this. But no, I just wanted to pop in. I think that's what you say, pop in, just to share my 4 years and a half, also truly being 4 years and 7 months update. I don't know how many weeks anymore, but it's been over 4 years and a half, so we're closing in on 5 years with Sisterlocks, and this is what my hair is looking like. What has happened in the last 6 months, or a little bit over 6 months? Let's think. Hair-wise, everything's going really well. Health-wise, I think everything's going really well as well. So for me, on my side, I'm really pleased. And my life is going well. I have to say, honestly, I feel blessed. And even though I lost all my skills for makeup, clearly, obviously, this is not what I wanted to do today, but I didn't have time to redo everything. So that's why I'm coming on with my eyes not done properly. But just to say that I really wanted to, since I was on vacation this week, and I was like, man, I didn't even film during the summer. Like, this summer was really crazy, and we had a lot of things going on in the family. My daughter graduated. I celebrated my 20-year anniversary, and like, things were happening. My son, 16 years old, things were happening, and I was like, wow. It was one thing after the other, and I didn't have time to just do things for myself. And even though I'm saying that, I had a great time. I actually loved all the events I hosted for my family. I actually loved the trip I took with my husband. So it was all blessings. And I just wanted to say that top thing is great things. Hair-wise, everything's doing well. My appointments have been going really like 5, 6, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, I think, max. And everything's well, great. I think I lost one lock on this side. I showed it as a week lock last video, I think, and it right after the video, or maybe a week after, it fell off. So this lock is like his friend here on this side, or maybe I lost this one. I forget which one I lost. I think it was this one, but this one also, they are my sideburn locks, I call them. And they just come out whenever they feel like it. My loctician reinforced this one, like artificially, to see if it would survive. And so far so good, because this one too was trying to head out and leave the situation. So this one has been reinforced. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Or this one, and also this one. Yeah, this one more like this one. So both of those locks were reinforced. They were just trying to do whatever they wanted to do. But those sideburn locks, typical. Every time I film, my nose starts running. I think it's all the dust that I move when I'm setting up. I move a lot of things that I guess carry dust, and then I sit down and film, and the dust is all in the air. Anyways, so yeah, these are the two locks, and I think one lock, if I can find it, one tiny lock like this one snapped off, broke off, but don't know if I'll be able to find it now because I'm talking about it. Let me try to see. Oh, this one. Oh, okay. So this one I lost during the summer, or maybe before the summer, I don't remember. So can you see it? It's so tiny, it's so fine. So this, in the back of my head, I have very thin locks. So I've had them like, they were really thin since the beginning. So for comparison with another lock that's right next to it, I guess. This is how long it was supposed to be. And this is how long it is. So I lost half of it. So my, what I understood from what happened is that it got caught in my backpack. I use a backpack for work. It got caught in my backpack and it just snapped off. My daughter brought me the end of it, I didn't find it right away. But other than that, this is what happened. It was very impressive. Only 2 locks. This is the first lock that just snapped off, like broke off from the you know, the length of it. Most of the time I have locks that slip out like these. The lock just, it just slips out at a certain point where the lock wasn't really formed properly, or I don't know, my hair got too soft and it just, like, you know how when you are detangling matted hair, like at a certain point you just pull out the hair and it just comes out. This is how these locks came out, and this is how I think one of the one lock that I lost in the front, that's how it came out. It just slipped out, like the lock wasn't formed and it just didn't want to keep the shedded hair. But that lock in the back that I just showed, that one just broke off in half. That's the first time I have had a lock that broke off in half. So for me, that's like, that's great. If it's the first time it happens, it means first time in almost 5 years. It means if it happens once in 5 years, it's only 2 locks, 3 locks. If I keep my locks for 15 years, that's nothing compared to this amount of hair. So I feel really good about the rest of my hair and the way that it is. I'm not planning on doing anything else than just letting it grow. I really don't know, like coloring and cutting maybe, like to even it out, because my hair is not really even. I think I'm just gonna show you guys the back of my hair while I'm standing up, because now it's really hard to just turn and show you properly. But I can film in the bathroom like my hair with this shirt, the white shirt, is the light shirt, because it's light gray. It's gonna show, but just to show you right now how it's looking. So let me just try to come in and show you guys my hair. Maybe I can show you the grid. I don't want to mess up my part here, but can I open it up? It's probably not gonna show anything because my settings. And yeah, so this is, I probably shouldn't have zoomed in to show you my makeup up close, right? And this is my hair like this on this side. I'll do this, but I will be filming in the bathroom too. So this is the other side. Gonna be a real short video because I don't really have a lot to say, but what I can say is if you guys have any questions, just put them down below. I'll do a FAQ. Yeah, I can do an FAQ from the questions that I get from this video if I get many, and I'll also post on Instagram probably and see if people want to see anything. Like I can prepare a video and maybe release it during the holidays or something. I'll see if I can do that. But this is my hair and it's really like no regrets. I'm not even complaining about the money anymore. I guess I got used to it, and it's like I haven't been affected by the fact that I've been spending money on myself, my hair, my laser hair removal. I wanted to do a dental treatment even. I backed out because my daughter needed it more, so I just gave her the opportunity to, you know, get braces herself. But no, I'm doing what I need to do. And at the age that I'm in right now, I'm living on myself and happy to do it. I don't feel guilty anymore. I used to feel guilty. There's no point. Like, making yourself happy and treating yourself right, it actually does good for your family and your, you know, the people around you. Because if you're happy, you can spread that happiness. I'm not saying that material things will bring you happiness, but what I'm saying is allowing yourself to go for what you want, allowing yourself to get what you want. It doesn't matter what it is. Health, and how do you say? Not the self-love, but the pampering and taking care of yourself. And yeah, that does good to someone, and the getting to do good for yourself brings it over to like other aspects of your life. And I think it's a good thing. Like I said, I used to feel really guilty about the money I spent on my hair. When I got my hair, at first I didn't even get the hair that I wanted. I kind of settled for something else, and then I went back on my word. I was like, this isn't what I really wanted, and I went back and just got what I wanted. In the end, like I keep saying to everybody, it doesn't matter. Both hairstyles, if I had gotten microlocks, if I had wanted microlocks and gotten what I wanted, it would have been like just as beautiful. But the fact is, I wanted Sisterlocks, and then I tried to convince myself that I wanted microlocks, and then it was a whole thing. But yeah, that's my hair. That's my hair, and I'm really glad I was able to film this short video just to show you guys. And again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. If I get many and I see that it will make a nice video, I will try to do that. So thanks again. See you next time.